So how to set Google Assist as a default? Hey Google, and you can see Gemini is coming. Hey Google, Gemini is coming. How to set it as Google Assistance? Open your browser, Google browser. Sorry, go back. Open your Google browser and make sure you are logged into with your Gmail account, and then go to setting, and under setting select Google Assistance and scroll down. Then you can see the digital asset for Google, and now select Google Assistance. Press on switch. Hey Google, hey Google, let's step back again. If you found it's not working, then go back again, go back Google Assistance. Then you can see the voice mesh. Just enable Hey Google. Now complete the process. Agree, and the next. So you have to start saving audio. I agree. Just complete the process actually, and once done, there is no medium. Then let's try now. Let's try again. Hey Google, and you can see Google Assistant is enabled. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.